Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Bob and Brad hand massager. If you're somebody like me who works in an office where you're typing on the computer all day and then comes home to crochet for long extended hours, then you know what I mean when your hands are feeling a little fatigued. This hand massager is perfect for that. So I thought I would talk about it and review it for you guys. This hand massager features an 8-zone finger division and dual layer airbags. It also delivers precise compression to each finger and palm area, which is perfect for soothing carpal tunnel, arthritis, and post-workout fatigue. You have 3 different massage modes, 3 different intensity levels, and NTC Smart Heat. This also enhances circulation, eases stiffness, and restores comfort with safe, consistent warmth. And it enhances circulation, eases stiffness, and restores comfort. This is compact, cordless, and it's ideal for anyone that works with their hands. So as I said, if you're a hairstylist, gamer, if you work with your hands regarding yarn crafts, if you're a baker, if you work at a desk, this is perfect. I really like this hand massager because I feel like after a long day of being on the computer and crocheting, this is definitely something that I like to use at night for my winding down / self-care routine. So I usually like to put this on my hands. You can put it on either hand, and I really like to watch TV and kind of wind down with this nice little hand massager. And some things that I really like about this are that it's very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about lugging something really heavy around. Another thing that I like is that it's cordless, so all you would have to do is plug it in to charge it, and then you're good to go. The battery also lasts about 2.5 to 3 hours of continuous use, so you can use it for daily hand care anytime and anywhere. It's also 30% lighter than most hand massagers, making every session easier and more comfortable. I really like this because it has a spot mode, which means it holds on to tight areas for continued relief, and it also covers your entire hand and wrist. And as somebody who crochets, as I said, it really helps with my wrist pain. So now that you know a little bit about it, let me show you how it works. Okay, so looking at the machine, this is going to be your power button. You're just going to hold this for 1.5 seconds to turn it on. And when you have a low battery, it's going to flash red. If you need to charge it, the red or orange light is going to show up. And when it's fully charged, it will be green. This M over here is your mode button. If you want mode 1, which is the vitality mode or low level intensity, it's going to be cyan. Mode 2 is the relaxation mode, which is the medium level, and it's going to be green. And finally, if you want mode 3, this is going to be more intensive, and it's going to be the highest level of intensity, and it will be red. This right here is your intensity adjustment button. So if you want low, it will be cyan, medium level, green, or high level, red. And finally, we have our heat intensity. So all you need to do is just press it to turn it off and on. And when the red light stays on, that will mean you have a consistent temperature. And you do not need to use the heat function in order to use this hand massager. So this is just what the overall item looks like. It's very soft, and here is what the inside looks like. And you have individual slots for your fingers, and then you could put your thumb right here. Before using this massager, you do want to take all your rings, watches, or bracelets off, as you just want to make sure your hand is free of that. So you're just going to insert your hand into the massager. And real quick before, this is the charging port right here. So you just insert the charger, which is included in your package, and then all you're going to do is just charge it and you'll be good to go. Okay, so let's turn it on. So you're just going to hold that button down and it's going to turn on. So right now it's on cyan and it's on the lowest setting, and it's just going to compress your fingers and just have that nice compression. It feels really nice on your hands, like I said, and your fingers, and it also feels really nice on your wrist. So you can do the different modes depending on your preference. And then if you want the heat, you're just going to press the heat mode, and that red light is going to appear. And it's just going to go ahead and massage your hand. So I don't think you could see too much, but you can see it kind of moving a little bit. It's going to hug your fingers individually. It's also going to massage your wrist, as I said. I really like it a lot. I feel like it really helps with my hand fatigue. I have noticed in the past, before I switched over to ergonomic crochet hooks, that my wrist and my fingers would get really stiff when crocheting. So making the switch to ergonomic crochet hooks has helped. And this is just an added bonus. So if you want some extra hand relief, I highly recommend getting the Bob and Brad Hand Spa Pro Hand Massager. As I said, this is really nice for self-care. You can use this at your desk. You can use this at home. You can take this wherever you would like and just use this and just feel the instant relief and pressure from everyday office work and or crafting. So if you like your own hand massager, you can go ahead and check out the link below, where I'm going to leave a 10% off coupon for you to use. You can find this on Amazon, and as I said, I really highly recommend it. You can give it as a gift for yourself. You can give it to somebody in your family. You can give it to friends. You can purchase this for anybody, and they will absolutely love it. So thank you so much for joining me today and learning more about the Bob and Brad Hand Massager. I hope you give this a try, and again, check out the link in the description box below for a 10% off coupon for this hand massager. Until next time, happy crocheting! Bye!